Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. Welcome to this new video, and today I'm going to show you a really interesting platform which can earn you a lot of money. Okay, just all you need to do is understand the platform, learn how to work with that platform, and you can start earning money with this platform. So now let's jump into the content without wasting any of your time, because I know your time is really very important and you are eager to make some money online. And in the end of the video I have something which is really bonus for you, so just watch this video till the end so you understand what is that bonus which you are gonna receive, and that's something which is really interesting. Okay, so now let's start the video. Okay, so the platform is known as printful.com, and this platform is not unlike other print on demand platforms like Teespring or Redbubble. Okay, on those platforms all you need to do is just create a design and upload them. Okay, but there are some extra benefits on this platform, and that's the reason why I am showing you this platform. Okay, now you can upload your designs to this platform just like you do on Teespring and Redbubble. But the best thing about this platform is something which is really interesting. Okay, so all these features so see here. So let me show you the most interesting thing. So the thing and most interesting thing is that this platform integrates. Okay, this platform integrates. Okay, I cannot pronounce it properly, but integrates with all these platforms. Okay, for example, BigCommerce, PrestaShop. So once you design products on this platform, you can sell those products on all these places. Okay, and the best thing is that you can also sell the products designed on this platform on Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Wish, Stornavy, Bonanza, all these platforms. Yeah, so just create one product on this platform and you can integrate this platform with all this platform and list your product on all these platforms. And everyone knows that Etsy gets a ton of traffic, Amazon gets a ton of traffic, eBay gets a ton of traffic, Wish, I don't know much about this platform, but maybe it gets very good traffic. Okay, and Store Envy also, this is also something a very good platform, and it also gets a very good traffic. So you can just design one product and sell it on all these platforms. Okay, and everyone knows that these are the best platforms which provide the highest money, which convert the highest, and which sell the most number of products in the world. Okay, so that's something which is really interesting and something which is just blowing my mind away, because this is all. And just understand how this platform works. Just watch this video and you can entirely know about this platform, how this platform works, what they are doing, and what things you need to understand while working on this platform. Okay, now let's see there are pillows, phone cases, and all this stuff which you can upload your designs to. Now the thing is that you can see here there are services, products, and you can see there are integrations. And now you can also integrate these products with all these platforms, online marketplaces like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, Store Envy, Wish, Bonanza. Okay, so you are gonna get a ton of sales. Okay, just sign up to this platform and start selling all these products. Okay, the designs which you create. Now, where do you find designs which you can upload to this platform? So to find the designs, you can use Fiverr.com. Okay, so you can get a ton of designs just like this on Fiverr.com absolutely for $5 to $10. Okay, you can get a bunch of designs just for $5 to $10 or $20. Just pay that stuff and get some 10 to 20 interesting designs for you. Or if you need to design, if you want to design those stuff by yourself, then you can use this platform which is known as Canva.com. Okay, now using Canva, you can prepare all this stuff. Okay, so this is a free designing software which is available on the internet. This is an online software, and you can design all this interesting templates with this software. Okay, so just use this platform which is known as canva.com, and you can make all this interesting design and stuff. Okay, there are ready-made templates available on this platform, so you can just directly go to the platform, edit some of the templates which you like, and create the design as your need, as your wish, as your demand. Okay, I'm not gonna show you how to use Canva and all that stuff, because a ton of videos are available on YouTube on how to design on Canva, how to use Canva. Okay, just check out those videos and understand, because I don't want this video to be too long, as most of the people or most of my audience keeps complaining that your videos are too long. Okay, that's the reason why I'm not showing you all this stuff, but just you need to get this set. You just learn how to use Canva. You can find a ton of videos on YouTube, and if you comment down below, I will make a special tutorial on Canva on how to make these designs on canva.com. Okay, so don't worry about that stuff. Okay, now you just have to click here on the start selling button. So once you click on the start selling button, all you need to do is provide your full name, your email, and your password. And you just have to select this first one, and you can also select the second one, but I recommend don't select the second one, because you will receive a ton of emails. Okay, I think you don't want those emails, so just don't select it and then click on sign up. I have already created an account on this platform, so let me show you by logging in that account. printful.com. Let's log in. So here's the dashboard. Okay, this is how a new account dashboard looks like on this platform, which is known as printful.com. Okay, so the first step is that after you sign up, you need to confirm an email. Okay, and one of the most important thing and the most interesting thing about this platform is, and if you are confused about how to use this platform, what should I do and what not to do, what if I make mistakes using this platform, I have got you covered, I have got you saved. Okay, don't worry. So just go downwards and you can see all these videos. Okay, all this training material is available, which will guide you step by step on how to use this platform in a proper manner. Okay, so you can see on demand video courses with expert commentary, complete e-commerce short course, as well as new lessons regularly day by day. So they are providing you entire training. Okay, so from where you can learn how to use this platform and start making a lot of money with this platform, absolutely without investing any of your money. Okay, so they are teaching, and all these experts are teaching you all this stuff. Okay, you can see these are all professionally created videos which teach you all this simple and interesting strategies to make a lot of money online. Okay, so this is something which you are getting with this platform absolutely for free. So just watch this video and learn how you can just create products on this platform and start selling those products. Okay, see, all this training is available absolutely free of cost. Okay, now you have got the trainings, you have understood how to use this platform. Now I will show you one extra method to make money with this platform. Okay, so this is some which I told you there is some bonus, so that is the affiliate. Okay, so you can also promote the products which are available on this platform as an affiliate, but you receive a bit less commission. Okay, but if you sell products on this platform, then you are gonna get a lot more profit than affiliate marketing, but you cannot create thousands of designs. Okay, but you can create 100 designs and you can also promote another 900 designs which are ready-made available on this platform as an affiliate. Okay, now see, you just have to sign up as an affiliate. Just click on this become an affiliate and sign up for it. Okay, and once you sign up as an affiliate, now I'm gonna show you an interesting traffic source, and that traffic source which I'm gonna show you, let's go to our traffic source, and that traffic source is ideal for this type of things. So all you need to do is click on this. Okay, it is in this browser by mistake. Now just click over here and you just need to type Pinterest. Yeah, the best traffic source from where you get a lot of traffic is Pinterest. All you need to do is just go to this, create new pin, sign up for Pinterest. Okay, after that just go to your dashboard, just click paste the picture of the t-shirt which you want to sell as an affiliate over here. Okay, now give the title, give the description, and give your affiliate link over here. Okay, and Pinterest allows you to paste affiliate links. Okay, so don't worry about that stuff. And after that you have to do is select, and then you have to select here create new board. Okay, and create a new board of t-shirts. Okay, just give the name something which is related to t-shirt. For example, bicycle t-shirts. For example, any t-shirts. Okay, whichever t-shirts you are selling on the board, just give that particular name to the board, and make sure that the board contains keywords which people are actually searching. For example, your board is about bicycle t-shirts. Okay, so if people are searching bicycle t-shirts on Pinterest, they would be able to find them. Okay, so you just have to do little bit of keyword research so that you can get more traffic from Pinterest. Okay, now what you can do is just create boards and you can upload all your t-shirt designs over here. The designs which you have created yourself, you can upload those designs to over here, as well as you can also upload the designs which you are promoting as an affiliate over here on this platform. And everyone knows that Pinterest drives a ton of traffic. Okay, and that's something which is gonna make you a lot more sales and you will be making a lot more money. But honestly speaking, I just want to be transparent with you, and I just have to tell you that I am not using this platform in the current time. Okay, I am not using this platform because I have been busy promoting other stuff and doing affiliate marketing with other platforms, as well as I am paying attention to my YouTube channels, and that's the reason why I am unable to work on this platform just now. Okay, so you have an opportunity to work on this platform and make a lot of money. But for my situation, I can tell that I am currently not working on this platform. Okay, but I found this new opportunity and I just wanted to share it with you so that you can make money online with this interesting platform, as it provides all the training to you. Okay, so that's something which is really great about this platform, and you just have to take some action and you can start making money, a lot of money, with this really interesting platform. So if you like this video, you got some value from this video, just press the like button under this video, as well as share this video with others so that other people can also learn how to make money, as we are building a community which helps each other to make some money online. Okay, so just be a part of community, help everyone, and you can just start making more money. Okay, so this is something which is really interesting strategy, and you need to take action on this strategy. And if you are interested in more videos about make money online, affiliate marketing, online business, then you can check out other videos on my channel. There are a ton of videos which you can check out, every single one of them, and start making money out of them. Okay, so if you like this video, press the like button. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.